In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image slider on the homepage in Shopify Dawn theme. Great news! This is quick, clean, and completely no-code. We'll use Dawn's built-in slideshow section so you can showcase featured collections, promotions, or brand visuals right on your homepage. Start in your Shopify admin by opening Online Store, then Themes, and clicking Customize on your live Dawn theme. Before making changes, confirm you're editing the homepage template. In the theme editor, there's a page selector at the top. Make sure it says Homepage so your changes appear on your storefront's main page rather than on a product or collection template. On the left panel, click Add Section. This opens the library of pre-made sections. Search for or scroll to Slideshow and add it. In Dawn, it's simply called Slideshow, and it will appear immediately in the preview area so you can see where it's placed. Click the new Slideshow section to open its settings. For each slide, upload a high-quality image. Keep your image dimensions and aspect ratios consistent across slides so the layout doesn't jump as it transitions. Add an optional heading and subheading to communicate a clear message. If you'd like a call to action, turn on the button and link it to a collection, a featured product, or a landing page. Many stores use a simple, action-focused label like Shop Now or Learn More. Choose your transition style, such as fade or slide, and set the slide duration if autoplay is enabled. A moderate interval helps users read your message comfortably. You can also toggle arrows and dots for manual navigation and consider enabling pause on hover for better usability. If your background image is busy, increase the image overlay opacity to improve text contrast and readability. Check how everything looks on both desktop and mobile using the preview toggles. Adjust text alignment and cropping so the focal point of each image stays visible. Short, scannable copy works best on mobile. Aim to keep images optimized for performance. Consistent, well-compressed files create a smoother experience. If you want to change the order of your slides, drag them within the slideshow settings. To reposition the entire slideshow on the page, drag the section up or down in the left panel until it sits exactly where you want it, Hero at the top, or farther down if you prefer. When you're happy with the design and placement, click Save. Your homepage now features a fully functional image slider using Dawn's native slideshow section. This works because Dawn, like many online store 2.0 themes, includes a built-in carousel. No apps and no coding required. Keep your images fresh, update the text as campaigns change, and your homepage will stay engaging and on brand.